Mind him and undercut him.
Okay, so he's automatically making excuses for a guy that abused his channel. Like this isn't.
Frankly, I just don't get it, ladies and gentlemen. Could somebody please explain to me why atheists are enemy number one? Atheists don't bother me. This is a theory. I think the people that are projecting onto atheists probably have own struggle in being pulled toward atheism. And I have found this continually as a pastor. Whatever sins people squawk about the most, they're usually guilty of. So it doesn't surprise me the kinds of people that have acted the way they've done here on the YouTube's world. Now, was I right to respond to these douchebags the way I have done? No. I can easily admit I've gone through some significant trauma and manic episodes due to the psychological and physical torture of titrating off of methadone, because my doctors got me addicted to it. I have my responsibilities, of course. But to not excuse my behavior, I can certainly say that there's some mania going on in other people here. Maybe guilt. You'd be amazed how religious people are motivated by guilt of their past sins. That's why they project on atheists that, oh, if you're an atheist, you just want to sin. That's absolute nonsense. I can sin pretty good as a Christian.
Darth reacts to. I mean, part of it is many degrees separate from what happened. Like this guy insisted that he have co-control of your channel. You gave it to him, and then he abused it. That's the central issue here, right? And